Here are your notes for finding the area of irregular polygons. In this video, you will be going through 3 examples. In your notebook, make sure to draw the irregular polygon. Next, add any missing measurements and lines to separate the polygons as shown in the examples. Make sure to show all 3 lines of the area formulas, and then finally write the total area. Here is your first example. Pause the video so that you have time to copy down the image as it is shown. Next, we will add the missing measurements and lines to separate the polygons. This dotted line separates the rectangle from the triangle. If the base of the rectangle is 12, then the base of the triangle is also 12. If the side of the rectangle is 4 and the total height of the irregular polygon is 10, the missing measurement is 6 meters. Next, we will find the area of the rectangle. Make sure to write down all 3 lines of the area formula. Area equals length times width. Area equals 12 times 4. Area equals 48 square meters. Next, we will find the area of the triangle. Make sure to write down all 3 lines of the formula for the area of a triangle. The area of a triangle is area equals base times height divided by 2. You'll also see this written as 1/2 base times height. In this example, the base of the triangle is 12. The height of the triangle is 6. 12 times 6 divided by 2 is 36 square meters. Finally, add the rectangle and the triangle's areas together to find the total area of the irregular polygon. The total area is 48 plus 36, which is 84 square meters. Pause the video so you can make sure that you have all of this information written down. Here's the second example. Make sure to copy the irregular polygon into your notebook just as it appears on the slide. Pause the video if you need to make sure you get everything written down. The next step is to fill in the missing measurements and separate the polygons. This red dotted line separates the polygon into a rectangle and a triangle. If the width of the rectangle is 2 meters, then that also applies to the bottom, so we can bring that 2 meters down. If the total length is 4 meters, then that means the base of the triangle also has to be 2 meters, because 2 meters plus 2 meters equals 4 meters. If the height of the rectangle is 9, then that means that we have 5 meters, and the height of the triangle has to be 4 meters because 5 plus 4 equals 9. We will find the area of the rectangle first by taking area equals length times width. Area equals 9 times 2. Area equals 18 square meters. Make sure to write down all 3 lines of the area formula. Next, we will find the area of the triangle. The area of a triangle is base times height divided by 2. The base of the triangle is 2, times the height of the triangle, which is 4. 2 times 4 divided by 2 is equal to 4 square meters. The total area of this irregular polygon is 18 plus 4, which is 22 square meters. Pause the video and copy down the information before going on to the final example. Here's the final example. Make sure to copy it into your notebook exactly as you see it. Then add the lines and the missing measurements to fill in the diagram. First, we will separate the rectangle from the triangle by adding a dotted line. And since the width of the rectangle is 18, then we can bring that down, and then 18 plus 8 gives us 26 for the base of our triangle. Let's start by finding the area of the rectangle. Area equals length times width. Area equals 20 times 18. Area equals 360 square meters. Make sure to write down all 3 lines in your notebook. Now let's find the area of the triangle. Area equals base times height divided by 2. Area equals 26 times 16 divided by 2. Area equals 208 meters squared. To find the total area, add the rectangle and the triangle together. 360 plus 208 equals 568 square meters.